Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create HDR look in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Import your footage on Premiere Pro. Now hold Alt and drag your footage up to make a duplicate of the layer. Now go to Effects and search for black and white. Then drag and drop it on the top layer. Now search for invert and drag it on the top layer. Again, search for Gaussian blur and apply it on the top layer. Now go to Effects Control and change the blend mode into overlay. Then increase the blurriness until it looks perfect to you. Now see the before and the after, you will find massive difference. Now let's try this on other clips with the same technique. Go to the old footage and simply copy and paste the effect to this clip. Change the blend mode into overlay. Also check repeat edge pixel. I forgot to mention previously. Now see the before and the after. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.